an expression in a modified filter context. In this case, we have a table here, and we will see the total sold in comparison of each state.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
So, the state and the total sold. Let's do it then. Put a table where I will put the state and the total sold of each. Put the total sold in format here. And now, I will do the function calculate. Calculate, total sold, open the function filter, sell the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet that we put inside the state. I closed the wall I closed. So, okay. So, it will measure the total of sales. It will put aside the total sale, which is the total in general, evaluating the expression in a modified filter context.